Okay, a few minutes later, look at that. I just put the caulking on there and used my finger like a paintbrush or a putty knife. I just spooched it on there, made sure it's smooth and blend it in, because when that dries, you can't sand it or anything. Okay, that looks way better, doesn't it? And then I caulked the inside corners. I recaulked the top of this particular baseboard. I'm gonna be painting throughout the house, but I'm not gonna recaulk all of the baseboards. Okay, just where I think they need it, especially in inside corners, any little nooks and crannies and crevices. Got that all recaulked just with your caulking. Good. Yeah, it took me probably, I don't know, 15-20 minutes for that one little room, and it's just a closet. Could I have left it? Yeah, probably, but when I got all done, I would probably be thinking to myself, yeah, I should have done a better job than that. I should have caulked that. And so, you know, I got my construction light here, and you know, when I get ready to do the walls and stuff, I'll check everything on the baseboards and caulk it where I think it needs to be caulked. See, right up on that edge, I could recaulk that, maybe a little bit on the inside corner. And it looked as though on this particular baseboard, remember the flooring was 5/16 tongue and groove cedar planking. Well, initially in that room was carpet with pad, and then they took it out, and then they thought they were slick. They wanted to take the baseboard off, and then they put all the planking, and then they shoved the baseboard a little bit tighter to the floor, I think, because I saw a couple areas, some ridges on the top where it looks like, oh, that's where an old baseboard line was, and I carefully scraped that off. There was a piece over here and over on this other wall over in there, but actually they did have that trim all the way around there too. So I don't know if they took that baseboard off or not. I mean, you never have to take the baseboard off, especially if you're putting down planking, laminate flooring, vinyl flooring, whatever. You can always put the quarter round trim at the bottom or some other type of trim. Okay. All right. Hope you learned something. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.